Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Learn and Grow. In today's video, we're going to learn and write 50 opposite words. First is tall, short, boy, girl, up, down, good, bad, fat, thin, yes, no, busy, lazy, true, false, give, take, near, far, many, few, love, hate, start, end, here, there, this, that, wet, dry, cool, warm, weak, strong, victory, defeat, kind, cruel, profit, loss, lost, found, truth, lie, little, much, tight, loose, high, low, alive, dead, wrong, right, stand, sit, quick, slow, day, night, joy, sorrow, gain, loss, laugh, cry, fear, courage, young, old, man, women, rich, poor, throw, catch, start, stop, full, empty, death, birth, clean, dirty, reject, accept, never, always, fresh, stale, above, below, bold, timid, oral, written, and the last is easy, difficult. So friends, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for more videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.